Fitness Blender Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're searching for a straightforward, no-nonsense workout platform, Fitness Blender might be exactly what you're looking for. It's an online fitness hub that offers free, high-quality workout videos ranging from 5 to 90 minutes, covering everything from HIIT and strength training to Pilates and yoga. The content is designed for all fitness levels, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced athlete. One of the standout features is its flexibility. No expensive memberships, no fancy equipment needed, and you can work out at home or the gym. The workouts are led by real trainers, Kelly and Daniel, who guide you with clear instructions and minimal fluff. You'll appreciate the genuine approach. There's no loud music, distracting effects, or over-the-top production. Fitness Blender's focus is purely on functional, effective exercises. They also offer workout plans for those who want a structured routine. While most of the content is free, they do have some paid plans and an app for more convenience. Fitness Blender is especially great for people who want to work out at their own pace, with a wide variety of options available, from fat loss programs to muscle-building routines. The video player allows you to pause, rewind, and even adjust the difficulty by modifying the exercises on the go. That said, Fitness Blender lacks the community engagement or live classes you might find on other platforms. So, if you're someone who thrives in a social or live setting, that might be a downside. But if simplicity, effective workouts, and flexibility are what you're after, it's hard to beat Fitness Blender's offering. Overall, it's a solid platform for those who value independence in their fitness journey without being tied down by subscriptions or overproduced content.